If your data team already models in dbt, you don't have to redefine all of that in Cube by hand. In this quick demo, I'll connect a dbt project straight from GitHub, pull the models as a cube, and query them in Playground, all in about a few minutes. Here is our dbt project on GitHub. A few models here on the models, usual dbt project YAML file, nothing special. It's our normal dbt repo. First, I'll point cube at this repo. I'll open the deployment data source settings. Here is the dbt project section here. Let's fill in the repo URL. The access token. I have it separate. As this repo has the specific dbt folder, so we should specify it here. And the target schema is Java shop. Let's test connection. So the repo is reachable. Let's save the dbt settings. So the settings are saved. Now let's perform the actual pull. Let's go to IDE, go to integrations, and you see that we allowed to pull only in dev mode. So we need to create the branch and enter the dev mode. Let's create a branch, call it test dbt pull. Let's open up this form again. So these are a few settings that we can set up here. Cube already is aware of the dbt model repo and all the necessary things, so we can run it. So the pull is started. It spins up an isolated sandbox, it clones the repo, it runs dbt parse over it, converts every model into cube file, and commits the file to the dev branch. And we can watch at the progress right now. So the dbt pull was completed. It pulled 12 cubes. We set it to commit at cubes dbt folder. So here are the cube files converted from. We set the setting to have them dbt prefix. And let me prove you that these are the real cubes. Let's go to Playground. Let's query some data from, for example, customers. And here's the result. So that's the dbt pull. You point your cube at your dbt repo, you pull the models in as cubes on the dev branch, and you query it in minutes. When the dbt project changes, you can pull it again, update the cubes. Thanks for watching.